This video will go over triple equals in JavaScript. Triple equals and double equals. What's the difference and when to use both? So let's say you wanted to check if two things were equal to each other. And if they were, you would print they are equal. If they're not, print they are not equal. So let's see. Does 1 equal 1? So it's printing they are not equal. Even though 1 is the same as 1, this is because of something called types. What a type is basically just like if a variable or something was like a number, a string, like for example. This is a string because it contains an assorted mix of characters and it has these quotation marks. This is a number because it doesn't have any quotation marks or anything around it. It just has a number. This is a string because it has these quotes, right? So there's a difference between there's a difference between these two. This one you treat as a like part of a math equation. This one you treat more as a part of a sentence. Not necessarily, but more so. So what's happening here is if you were to only have two equal signs, JavaScript doesn't check the difference like deeply between these two variables. It only checks, okay, is it the same thing? If it is, then they're equal. But if you're having triple equals, it's going to check, okay, this is a number that says 1. This is a string that says 1. Since this is a string and not a number, and this is a number, not a string, they are not equal. So go to the not equal statement. You know, you could do something like this. Now be careful not to do 1 equal sign because it's just going to set 1 equal to 1. I think here it's going to error. Yeah. But if you had like some variable, it's going to actually set this variable to 1. And you know, if you had like a Boolean value like this, it would always be true. So make sure you have this. So I'd recommend use triple equals as much as you can because it helps catch errors before they become big issues. Like if you wanted to, if this was like inside of a math function and you wanted to do, or let's if this was inside of a math function and you forgot to do triple equals, this would return true. So then you'd have 1 as a string plus 1 as a number, which JavaScript would convert that 1 to a string. So that would become 11 as a string. And then now 1 plus 1 doesn't equal 11. And now it's also a string. So it just causes a lot more issues. Yeah. Try to use triple equals when you can. So yeah. Sub if you want, like if you want.